Just as a fisherman was about to catch the biggest fish of his life, what happened at the very last moment? Watch until the end to find out. A fisherman baited his hook and cast it into the water. Just a few seconds later, the fishing line suddenly pulled tight. He immediately realized that a huge fish had taken the bait. He carefully started reeling it in, knowing that even the smallest mistake could cause him to lose the catch. The fish fought with all its strength, but the fisherman refused to give up. After several minutes of struggle, the giant fish finally came close to the surface. Just as he was about to pull it out of the water, there was a powerful jerk. The fishing line snapped, and the huge fish disappeared back into the deep water in the blink of an eye. The fisherman stood silently, staring at the water. The biggest catch of his life had slipped away in just one moment.